Today we're looking at the Radar 1957 Level 3 duty holster for the SAR firearm SAR9. This holster is meant to be used with the 4.4-inch barrel SAR9 models. This would include the SAR9, SAR9T, SAR9 Meta, SAR9X, SAR9 Storm, and the SAR9 Gen 3. The Radar holster features multiple layers of retention. To draw the firearm, one must actuate the thumb brake, then actuate the lever's safety mechanism, and finally overcome the retention of the holster by drawing the firearm. These steps can be achieved quickly and reliably to draw the firearm as seen here. The Radar holster features adjustable retention via the weapon-mounted light module and muzzle block Chicago bolt. To adjust the light module retention, you'll first need to remove the screws using a metric 2.5mm Allen key. Next, remove the belt loop from the other side of the holster. The light module can now be pushed in or out to adjust retention. Finally, we can replace the screws, and while we are reinstalling the belt loop, we can elect to choose the angle of the holster by choosing a different bolt hole pattern. The Chicago bolt at the front of the holster can be tightened or loosened to further adjust retention. The Radar holster is compatible with many compact weapon-mounted lights. First, we have the SAR9X OEM light. It is a squared, shorter model. If you happen to have one of these longer, rounded early import models, it is not compatible. The PowerTech Mark Mini Illuminator Gen 1 or Gen 2 is another very good low-profile option. Next, we have the Nightstick 550 XL or TCM-10F, which was the predecessor to the 550. And here we have the Streamlight TLR7. Additionally, we have the Olight PL Mini 2 Valkyrie and the Warriorland MA2. The range of lights that the Radar holster is compatible with can be further expanded with the use of the TLR1 weapon-mounted light module. Swapping the modules is straightforward. You'll need to remove the belt loop and light module screws. Then you can swap the current module for the TLR1 module and reassemble the holster. This module replaces the existing module to allow for the use of the Streamlight TLR1 weapon-mounted light, and as an added benefit will allow the use of many other larger weapon-mounted lights. Now let's have a look at some different size optics mounted on a SAR9, and more specifically we'll look at how they fit in the Radar Level 3 holster with its integrated optic cover hood. Okay, starting with our RMSC Micro Dot, this here is the Primary Arms Classic Micro Reflex. It clears the holster as you can see, and the hood closes with plenty of clearance. Our medium-sized RMSC footprint optic is the Olight O-Sight S. This optic is comparable to the dimensions of a Holosun EPS carry. It also clears the holster and the hood closes to cover the optic. As you can see, the spring-loaded hood allows for many different size optics to fit. Next up we have our larger RMSC wide-body optic. This optic is comparable in size to the Holosun EPS full size. As you can see, the optic clears the holster. Now up is the venerable Trijicon RMR, mounted to the SAR9 via a Dawson Precision RMSC to RMR adapter plate. The optic clears the holster, and the hood closes very well with the RMR. It fits like a glove. Now mounted to the same adapter plate is our Holosun 507 Comp. This optic is too large for the holster and stops the pistol from fully seating. This has been a brief overview of the Radar 1957 Level 3 holster for the SAR9. We went over some examples of light and optic compatibilities, however they are by no means the only options that may fit. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful for anyone shopping for a reliable duty holster.